Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Telegram Ton coin with a fragment, because this is the only way to withdraw your payment. First of all, you have to go to the fragment.com like this, fragment Telegram, search on Google's, and then there is options, and in the mobile you can see there will be options to connect your telegrams. After you using this, okay, let me log out, and after log out there will be a pop-up like this, and this will be automatically connect because of I already connected this. Then come back to Telegram. You can connect with Ton wallet in your Telegram built-in. So I'm going in here in total. Okay, let's withdraw with fragment. This is two-step verifications. You gotta set up your two-step verifications, otherwise you can't able to withdraw your Ton wallet. So jump into the next. After clicking there, here you can see I have coming into my Telegram wallet, and I got a connect wallet. So how can I connect wallet? This is the Telegram built-in wallet. Let me show you how. Okay, before I connect, okay, I should search for privacy purpose. How can I search? Okay, let me tell you, there is a privacy issue, right? Okay, no problems. I hope you all are understand. Okay, let me go. And after all, there will be the wallet in Telegram. You can use Ton Keeper or my Ton wallet, or otherwise Binance and others. So many wallet here. So I prefer to go to the Binance inbuilt wallet because I already have this one. So let me tell you wallet. This is not wallet. This is, I actually told you, this is the wallet, and I already show you this is my wallet. So to connect this wallet, come back in your fragment and connect to Telegram Ton wallet and connect with Telegram on desktop. Okay, always show this. I don't always. Okay, no, open the telegram.f, and it will automatically open this and ask me to connect. So click on the connect and enter your wallet password. I am entering my wallet password. This will be automatically connecting, and back to fragment, and it will, and this will show me that, look, this will show me to connect my wallet. And after connecting, then check again UQD and SNA, my wallet address, and let me tell you that UQDT SNA hyphen, and I saw this is the way, and this will take a few minutes perhaps to continue the process. This is about, oh my god, so this is not taking any sort of knowledge. And if I'm look, this is come here, and switching, yes, it's come here. So I am getting avals my payments. If I am going to recap this, first of all, you gotta go to fragment on Telegram fragment, search on Telegram, then click on this and log in your account and go to your Telegram. And after all, when you go your Telegram, you have the channels. What is this? Is my channels. By the way, if you want, you can subscribe my channels and go to your balance, and after that collect. Here you will see the withdraw by fragment. Click on this. After click on this, you gotta you will be a pop-up for to connect here. You can connect this. That's easy as it is. If you don't understand, please rewatch this. This is the best way I explains, and very simple way in all over the YouTube. You never saw this such a simple way to explain. If you like this video, please subscribe our channels This will helps me a lot. Please likes and comments, and if you have any further problem, please join with us. There will be so much things to wait. You can wait, you can join this group PTC. You can join this group PTCX. This is the group. You can join these channels and message. If you have any problem, anything related, you can ask here. I will reply. So hope you watch like these videos. If you like, please thumbs ups and comments. I watch again. This helps a lot. It's motivated us a lot. Till then, take care. Bye bye.